What's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be removing this old electrical outlet box and installing a new one that is flush with the wall. I don't know who in the world would install an electrical outlet box and wiring in this manner, but very obviously this is a huge no-no. So the first thing that we need to do is to find the correct breaker to turn the power off. So I inserted my outlet tester into the outlet, and we're showing that we have power. So I shut off the correct breaker, and then all the lights went off, which means that the power to the outlet should be dead. So next, I removed the receptacle cover, and now I'm removing the outlet. It's just a Phillips screwdriver. So there's 3 wires connected to the receptacle. You have your black, which is your hot, your white, that's neutral, and then your ground wire. So here I'm using a non-contact voltage tester just to confirm that there's no power again. If there was still power at the receptacle, the end of the detector would light up a solid red, and it would make a sound. So now I'm removing the line and the neutral terminal screws to release the wires, as well as the ground screw. Now it's time to remove this Romex connector. And as you can see, I'm just pushing on it with my flathead to get it loose, and then I'll unscrew the rest of it by hand. Then once that's off, you should be able to pull the wires straight down. Now time to remove the box. Now I'm going to remove the Romex connector from the wire entirely. So the type of box I'm going to use is an old work box or a retrofit box. Really easy to use. All I did was put it against the wall, mark it out with a Sharpie, then use a sheetrock knife to cut out the sheetrock, and it just pushes right in. Then once it's pushed into the sheetrock, there's 2 screws on either end of it, and you'll just tighten them up, and the retention tab will pop out and hold it firmly in place against the sheetrock. So somehow I lost the footage of installing the old work box. So I have a low voltage old work box that's going to be based on the same concept as the old work box for the receptacle. And that's the one that I'm showing you here. And now it's time to wire up our new receptacle. So your hot or your black wire always goes to your brass screws, and then your neutral or your white wire always goes to your silver screws, and then of course your ground always goes to your green screw. Then we'll just tighten up the receptacle inside the box and put the cover on, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe.